When you buy a property at Minyama Island, you buy it for the water, access to water, the views to the water. The whole design exercise is about getting that water reference. Hi, I'm Chris. I'm the Principal Architect at Morriarchi Architecture. Welcome to Minyama Island residence. Our client, they travel quite extensively, and they had their heart set on a home that they saw in Florida. The brief was an exercise in translating that kind of elemental resonance with the client and interpreting it into a home here on the Sunshine Coast. The procession from the gatehouse to the front door, you've got this amazing water feature. There's a softness and a calmness to when you walk into the front yard of the home. The layout of the home is broken up into three parts. The hero part being the living space, which is 7 meters high. It is the entrance piece. It's almost like a cathedral, like it's got that sense about it. Part of the overall design was the client's request to enjoy the view, not only from the living space, but from upstairs. And the response to that is to create these massive terrace areas, which can be accessed via the top level, but can also be accessed from the ground floor via side stairs as well off the pool terrace area. The use of concrete is quite extensive. I just love concrete, but it's also a material that can look quite austere. So there's been a conscious effort to soften that by using the textural wood form grain, the Oregon boards, which you see in all of the concrete walls here that are exposed. There's repetitions in the textures and the finishes, which then brings you back into the central space of the home, which is the living space. Landscaping is pivotal in any home that we do. That landscaping over time takes over the home and embellishes the home and softens the home as well. A home as vast as this, there's an element of trust inherited as you as the designer to fulfill the original outcome to the client in its built form. So maintaining that idea has been probably the biggest challenge and the biggest thing that I've learned so far in delivering projects.